Hi guys, it's X. Okay, so this video is kind of gonna be like a small business shout out and partially gonna be our second engagement shoot, which is technically gonna happen before our actual engagement shoot. But anyway, I have a friend who's a photographer who's doing like a little promotion, and I think for like $75 or something she was gonna shoot I think family photos or something for Christmas. And so I decided to go ahead and reach out to her because Cameron and I both work in the medical field, so I thought it'd be a really cute idea for us to do like, I don't know, pictures of us both in our scrubs. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna do my makeup, and I'm gonna use some of the products that I got in my Jeffree Star holiday mystery box. Okay, so if you want to see our pictures, just keep watching. I know everybody talks about this, but it's honestly really good. Mine is from Revlon. I think I saw a couple YouTubers saying you can get it cheaper online on Amazon for I think 20 bucks, but mine is from Revlon. I think I paid almost $60, if not 40, something like that. But it's really cool. And basically, I will just brush my hair through a little bit, and then just take a little section of it. The only thing I don't like about it is it's so big and bulky, and I have small hands, so but it works really well, and I feel like it honestly gives you that like salon style look. Alright, so I always can get this side fully dry, but this side for some reason, like, I don't know if it's that I'm right-handed, left-handed, I don't know, but this part always a little bit more wet under here. So I'm just gonna spend a little bit more time on this part. Alright, it's a little different angle, but I am going to be using a mixture, I think, of this superfood primer. And of course, I got some of this stuff in the BoxyCharm, and a little bit of this Soft Focus Glow Drops as a primer. I have to use primer. I was a dancer in college and high school, and I knew nothing about makeup. I didn't start wearing makeup until I was 24 years old. So I think like mascara and eyeliner was like the only thing I really knew how to do. So because of that, every time I would go on stage, all the foundation would just seep into my pores and it looked horrible. I'm gonna be using Juvia's Place in 710, my little beauty blender. I never know whether to do hair or makeup first. My makeup artist always tells me to get my hair done first, but I don't know, it's, what do you guys do? Okay, so my foundation is on, and I've never used this before, but I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star translucent powder that I got in our mystery box here, and I guess I will dab some in there. I don't really like use powder. I feel like sometimes it makes your face look just really drying. Like, oh, that has a really nice scent to it. I feel like it kind of smells like cotton candy. So I hate this brush. This brush, it's by Morphe, always sheds on my face. One thing I'm also not gonna do is put anything under my under eye. I I don't really have dark circles. I don't think, at least. Sometimes when I film I can see them, but I just don't really care to cake on so much makeup under there, especially because I have very fine lines, and I don't know if it's that I'm just not putting in my concealer correctly, but I feel like if I do, everything just kind of sits in there. Like, I'll put some on just for the sake of explaining to you what I mean. Great, now the camera's just, everything's falling. But I don't know, like, dark circles have never really bothered me. I'll just put a tiny bit on so you guys can see what I mean. And I guess I can go under it. Despite all the anti-wrinkle cream that I've used since I was 18 years old, I still have all these fine lines underneath. But oh well, happens, you age. Ain't shit I could do about it. Well, I guess I could have surgery, but I'm not that type of person. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with KKW. I recently just started using this, to be honest. I do like it. I used to just use powder, but this is honestly so much easier to blend. Not really great at contouring my nose. But yeah. I feel like, whoa, that's more than I usually do. But I feel like it is just easier for me to blend when I do this. I don't really care to do this part. Because I use other highlighter anyway. And then we just blend it out. I kind of laugh when I do my forehead because I barely have a forehead to begin with. Yeah. See, this just blends so easily. But the reason why I wanted to try cream contour was because I noticed that when I do use the powder, sometimes you can see the line of where I put it. And this just blends out super easily. However, I do have a favorite contour brush, and it is this one by e.l.f. I just feel like it has that perfect angle, but I don't use that anymore since I started using the KKW one. Alright, so for bronzer, I use this little Bronze Essentials by Beauty Basics. I go in with this Morphe brush. I would tell you what the names were, but there ain't no name on it. And I kind of just warm that up and put the residual powder in those places. And then for blush, I use this, I think it's from Crown brush, but I just feel like it's the perfect spot for apple my cheek. And and then I'm gonna go in with Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten, and I just smile and kind of just put that on the apples of my cheeks. I don't think I got enough. I wish I could do my eyes first, but I just can't for some reason. I don't know why, but it just doesn't look right to me when I do that. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with Luxe Tapered Highlighter Brush. This is my favorite highlighter brush. And I am going to go with, is this it? This is Kylie, no, okay. Usually I like this one. This is Tahiti. This is my favorite one. It's very pink and rose gold, but I'm gonna do silver I think this is it. Yes, this is it. It's Santorini. It is like a silvery color. And I'll just go, I don't want to go too crazy with the highlight. So that is done. And then I guess we can bake. And then I can start doing the brows. So usually what I would do is dip that usually, but okay. I put a little bit more of the Jeffree Star and make a line there. And make a line there. For my brows, I actually like to get a little bit closer to the mirror so I can't film it, but I'm gonna be using this Kylie in medium brown, this brow gel, and then the Fenty Beauty. I do have an eyebrow tutorial if you guys wanna watch that. Okay, eyebrows are done. Oh God, let me just destroy everything that comes into my path. So now I'm going to dust this off. And I kind of like to do that all over my face because I just don't like my makeup to look so cakey. And then here I will put setting spray. And I will push that in here. Now let's do eyes. So I'm gonna use a combination of the Orgy palette and the Jawbreaker palette, but I'm only gonna use, I think, neutrals pretty much today. So I'm going to get this brush. I don't know who the maker is anymore because it rubbed off. And I need chapstick. I am going to be going in in Jawbreaker. I think with Good Morning. It's really pretty. And so dab that all over my lid and bring it up into the brow bone and do the same thing on the other side. Okay. And then I kind of want to deepen my inner corners, my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with Better Floor and just go and deepen in. I call it my eye socket. You can call it your crease. We'll deepen that. And then I think there is a really pretty pink color. Oh yes, Snack. And it is this one. Let me look in the Bloodlust palette really quickly because I think, no, okay. I was like, I know there's like a rose goldy pink, but it wasn't. It was bright pink. And then let me double check in this. Oh my God, I can never open this thing. Nope, too many greens. Not in the mood for this one today. So we will go back into the Jawbreaker palette. And all my brushes are dirty, of course. I guess I can use this one. And just clean it off. It does have some glitter. So I'm gonna fix it, put Fix Plus on there. dab a little, and then put it on my eyelid, but I'm going to tug. That's a pretty shade. I think it's pretty sheer, but that's okay, because I wanted to go for a more natural look, even though I just put all this cake makeup on my face. Okay, now, probably gonna ruin the eye look right now because I suck at eyeliner, but I'm gonna go and put on Lucky Lashes from Glamnetic. Oh God, you guys, that was honestly so much easier than I thought it was gonna be. That was super easy. So maybe I don't suck at eyeliner. Maybe it's the eyeliner that I use that sucks. I'm just kidding. Every day is a struggle because I love cat eyes, but I'm not the best at them. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a KKW. I really need to start using the Grande Lash MD every day again. I'm just not. Okay, so I think I'll wear anchors today. I get hesitant to wear them because last time I wore them, I totally forgot I had anchors on and I ripped them out of my eyeballs and it hurt really badly. So, okay, I'm gonna do this off camera again. Okay, makeup is done. Lashes, I still can't tell if I like these anchors or not. But anyway, I'm gonna get dressed because we gotta go soon. Okay, makeup is done. This is what I'm wearing for our shoot.